Hello and welcome to this video where I show you how to use ElevenLabs to do some voice dubbing or to dub your videos. Now, I started experimenting by dubbing videos into different languages or dubbing my videos into different languages. I'm not dubbing other people's ones into different languages. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do with ElevenLabs and the quality you get with ElevenLabs because I'm very impressed with ElevenLabs. So you go to dubbing and you click on new dub. And you give it a title, so I'm going to call it Demo HSS because this is a very old video about using high-speed sync. Now, it will detect your language, but I'm going to pick English and I'm going to dub this into German. We need to select a source. You can upload your video, but I'm going to use a YouTube URL. And again, this is my video. We've got TikTok, Twitter, Vimeo, and other URLs. Now, you can reduce the number of characters you use by adding a watermark. Now, this is going to use 9,200 characters. So for some of the longer videos, you might run out of space. And we're going to talk about pricing, characters and spacing in a bit. I'm going to go to advanced settings. I know the number of speakers is 1, but I could equally leave it on detect. Video resolution I can pick. I might as well pick highest. Now I can extract a range here if I want to do a short, or I was just interested in a section, but I'm not. I'm glad it tells me down here how many characters are going to be used. And all I do is I click create. It tells me how long it's going to take, which I find really useful. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and show you the pricing. Now, ElevenLabs obviously do lots of things. They're a TTS service. In this video, I'm only looking at the dubbing, but of course, I'll probably be exploring their TTS offering in subsequent videos. So if you want to check that out, do, because I do make lots of videos about AI avatar stuff, TTS, lots of things like that. So if I go to pricing, which is why I've come here. So we've got a free package, which is fantastic. I really always appreciate it when you get a free package, and you can do dubbing with free package, but you only get 10,000 characters per month. Bear in mind, my 4-minute video where actually I'm not talking a lot was 9,200. That would mean I could do 1 video a month based on what I say. You can't use it commercially for the speech synthesis. It's debatable whether dubbing is speech synthesis, probably it is. And your video is going to be watermarked and you need to leave an attribution. However, for $5 a month, at the moment it's $1 a month, you get 30,000 characters and you get voice cloning and other things. And for $11 a month, sometimes it's going to be 22, you get 100,000 characters. I tend to talk a lot, and particularly on my very long videos that are around 10 minutes, who knows what the characters are. If you want watermark free, you have to go for creator or above. So you're going to be paying at least $11 if you don't want a watermark. But what I really like is that you have the ability to add a watermark in to reduce the characters by 1/3. So my video has now dubbed. The timing wasn't exactly right. I had to wait a bit while it said almost there. So I'm in YouTube and I've got this old video and I've lined up to where I think I start speaking. And the reason I want to do that is I want you to listen to the voice. Here we go. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using off-camera flash with high-speed sync on a micro four thirds camera. So that was me just talking at the start. I made this video a very long time ago.
Hallo und willkommen zu diesem Tutorial über die Verwendung von Off-Camera-Blitz mit High-Speed Sync auf einer Micro 4/3 Kamera. Also, du wirst diese Bilder sehen, sie sind wirklich.
That sounds just like me, as if I was speaking German. It's taken my voice and it's made it into German. It's made it speak German. That to me is fantastic. It sounds like me. I noticed down here it says dubbed with ElevenLabs. I thought I got rid of the watermark, but maybe I didn't. But I'm just so impressed with how that sounds. And it sounds like me. And I think that is amazing. So I'm really impressed with the dubbing video feature within ElevenLabs. And like I say, I will be doing more videos on ElevenLabs while I've got my current subscription. Thank you ever so much. Goodbye.